What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got a short little unboxing to do with you guys. As you can see, it's already out of the box, and that's because I didn't understand. There's a lot of stuff that's sent to me either by generous viewers who are either lending me stuff or giving me gifts. There's some stuff that's sent by retailers, and there's stuff that's sent by the manufacturer. And I want to make sure that everybody always knows exactly who the package is coming from on camera. So I actually recorded the unboxing, assuming it was from somebody else, because I'm expecting another package from somebody else. And I unboxed it, and I was, that the reaction was to the who I thought it was from, and then I realized after having a conversation, I was like, no. It didn't come from that person. This came from the Pass Around group, which means by extension it came from the manufacturer for review, so Steel Will, so I appreciate that. I have already, the organic reaction has already occurred, so you're basically just going to get a short little unpackaging and me trying to repeat my first initial thoughts and impressions of this. So this is the Steel Will, forgive my inevitable mispronunciation, F61 Shaola? I don't know. This is an awesome knife, and right when I picked it up in the initial unboxing, I said I really love the fact that it's textured in like a frag pattern red G10. It's actual G10, nice milled out steel liners, very sleek design. Not an ultra thin design, but not an ultra thick design. Still sleek though. Overall length, we'll go ahead and give you a measurement here, coming in at 8 inches on the dot with about a 3.5 inch blade. More of that when we do the actual review. Nice classic drop point blade, nice and thin behind the edge, nice black wash on this version, nearly drop shut action, kind of a medium detent with very, very reliable flipping action. Just really great. First impressions of this knife are great. It's rocking D2 steel. There are different variants of this. I saw black G10, I saw blue G10, this red. I love that. Let me say this, Steel Will, thank you for, this is a newer model for you guys, or well, at least, but maybe it's only about a month old. Thank you for not doing the classic, or just the industry standard black, OD green, and coyote tan G10. I mean, they did some different stuff here. They did a black wash blade and a stone wash blade, and then you have choices of black, red, or blue G10 at least. That's cool. I like that. This is a nice color combo. Black and red. That's really, really nice. Yeah, this is pretty cool right off the bat. I'm very, very impressed with this. I really like this. As usual, you guys know I have Amazon affiliate links to this stuff, so if you want to check this knife out for yourself and help support the channel, there's a link right down there, blah, blah, blah. That's going to be pretty much it for this unboxing, guys. I don't know that there's a whole lot more that I can say. The review should be coming the next couple of weeks, so keep your eyes out for that. If you'd like to check out my other content, you guys know I do have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right over here and subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.